gosh.
Today, we're in Minnesota.
What's wrong?
Nothing's happening.
This one has some ruts, so that's good for you.
Where we'll do some pro motocross.
Millville MX race.
This is an iconic one with a little problem.
Get some Porta Johns. That's your national.
Then we'll slap a sticker on before hitting the road. Towards a night of boondocking at an amazing distillery. Let's do it. After a long trip, we've arrived at the Millville Motocross grounds, just in time for some silliness.
Oh my gosh.
What's wrong?
Nothing's happening. The two girls stared at each other awkwardly for a while, and then this guy came up cutting line and started talking about that he didn't get a sticker yesterday, and then the girl walked away.
Two adults and an 8-year-old and then a baby.
Once in, it was time for Reese to gear
How
up.
was your first practice?
Good.
Good. How'd you feel out there?
Okay.
Did your bike run good?
Yeah.
Track looks awesome. This is your 5th track, right? You've ridden at Fox Raceway, Lake Elsinore, Pax Tracks, Redbud, and now Millville.
I probably like Fox Raceway.
Fox Raceway? All right. Well, we'll see. This one has some ruts. Oh, or Redbud. This one has some ruts, so that's good for you. You'll get better with that.
One of our goals while off the boat is to get Reese riding more. This track looks pretty cool. Getting a chance to spin some laps with the local kids was such a treat for him. He seems to be getting a little faster too. Moto after moto, we had so much fun. After a long day, it was time to cool off in the beautiful creek that flows through the grounds.
We are at the Spring Creek, really like Millville MX race. Found this little creek and Reese is gonna jump off the rocks. Bryn would like to too, I know she would, wouldn't you? Yeah, she's like, giddy up mommy, let's go, let's go. Good luck to him, I'm sure it's pretty cold.
If you follow this sport, you've seen this creek. It was cool to experience it in person.
How was that? You gonna do it again?
I knew I bought those shoes for a reason. Oh, you like looking at yourself? Oh, you're pretty.
The day was ending and the crowd was pouring in for tomorrow's Pro National.
Trying to conserve water since we aren't on hookups. Not really sure what to do with this mess since I can't wash it.
Reese did a little bit of practice here on his dirt bike, which was super cool, and today is the actual national. Jeremiah went down before me, put out some chairs, get us a good spot. I'm here with the kiddos and making a little lunch to bring along. I usually make these super simple wraps for us, like little roll-ups. Here's some that I've done. Whole wheat tortillas. Usually I do like a gluten-free one, but Jeremiah doesn't like it, and I'm trying to be quick and easy. And then I put on some dairy-free cheddar cheese slices, a little bit of jalapeno, which I use that up. I don't have that here, but fresh jalapeno. And then this good old natural choice turkey breast. And then here they are in the plastic bag. Reese's are in this napkin so they don't get the jalapeno juice on them and burn his little mouth. And I'll be able to throw it out. So easy peasy.
The Spring Creek National is the 7th round of the Pro Motocross Series. Fans gather from all over to watch the best riders in the world. After the first moto finished, we took the 1-mile walk back to the RV.
What we've been doing is watching the first moto and then coming back to the RV for the second moto. Just because we're doing it so much, it becomes a little bit much with the baby and everything. And it is much more comfortable to do it in the RV. What's up, ladies?
Hey.
Bryn, you doing good? She's like, yeah.
So even though the camping rules say you can't bring alcohol, you can bring alcohol.
I love going to these things. The only issue I have with this one is they had 4 or 5 Porta Johns for like 20,000 people. Millville, get some Porta Johns. That's your national.
That's true. Jeremiah actually missed the entire 450 moto because he was in line to pee, right there in the middle of the track. Kinda silly. We settled in for the night and it was time to slap on the sticker.
Iowa, we went there before we got here.
Yeah, Iowa, we went to a water park, right?
Yeah, but we didn't film. We just did like a family day.
Yeah. Oh, don't mess it up.
Oh my gosh, here we go again. So much pressure.
Yeah. Well, it's important.
Okay, now
Oh, it's crooked.
What?
Yeah, look, it's like...
Honey, you gotta chill.
All right.
Like,
I'll let it slide.
No matter what, it's never gonna
I'll
be
let it
enough.
slide.
Minnesota. That's where we are right now.
Yep. How'd you like it?
It was awesome. It was beautiful. Weather's great.
A lot of people partying.
You know, knowing how particular you are, it gives me a lot of pressure to do it right.
Nice.
Look, we're getting full.
Love it.
So tomorrow we are heading back down to Illinois. We're going to do a whiskey distillery there. And we're going to skip North Dakota. Jeremiah talked me into skipping it because
This time.
we still have these states. We only have a week. Everything you need to do is over here. So we're going to plan some other trip to fill this in. And now we're going this way. Headed east.
Good job, honey.
We were out of there, headed towards a whiskey distillery in the middle of the country.
First time I've seen you drink a Red Bull in years.
Exhausted.
Why are you so tired?
I think anything over like driving like 5 hours is too much. It wears me the hell out. And it's been windy the whole time, so you know you're constantly battling the wind. So it's just worn me out.
Not the long weekend of racing and
No, that's fine.
and we really didn't drink that much.
No.
But and our daughter keeping us up to 2 in the morning.
Yeah, no, it's the wind.
Oh, okay, it's all the wind. Okay.
You excited about today?
I am. This will be our first whiskey distillery we ever go to. The pictures look beautiful, reviews look great. It's always booked. I had to book this 2 weeks in advance. What was that?
Okay, right there.
Yep.
What the heck was that?
It was the pot that Dad wants to throw out. It was the pot that you want to throw out.
Okay, that didn't wake the baby up, but if you breathe the wrong way, she wakes up. Yeah, it'll be the first time that we are going to a whiskey distillery. I'm excited. I know Jeremiah's got to be even more excited because he drinks Scotch whiskey. So I'm going to try it out. Hopefully they have like some girly, lighter ones. Who knows? Maybe we'll end up with a bottle. But this spot, we've been trying to go for about a month now. So we are jumping around all over this place. What is this, like the north, mid-north? North? Yeah, the
Midwest.
Midwest. So we've been passing this place, but they're pretty booked up. So I just said, you know what? I definitely know that we're heading back southeast towards the eastern side of the United States after that motocross race. So I'll book it for Sunday, but it meant Jeremiah had to have a long drive. They aren't open on Monday, so that's the only way we could really go to it. I'm just excited. I'm a little tired. But the whiskey will help. What is it? Bourbon makes it better. There you go.
Not too much further to go. Let's get some whiskey. As part of Harvest Host, this distillery allows camping for up to 2 RVs. Luckily, we were all alone. We set up and went in for a tasting. They even had drinks for kids.
Oh man, that's good. Like a Shirley Temple, but better.
Do you like it?
That's pretty good.
The drinks were great. If you're ever in Illinois, make sure you stop by Whiskey Acres.
You know the Supercross, the little kid that ride on the main track?
Yeah. The KTM Junior
Yeah,
Challenge?
number 2, it's a picture of a little kid riding it in Supercross.
Would you like to do that?
I don't know, I kind of like motocross.
She finally asleep?
I broke free.
Nice. You want to sit down and have a cornfield sundowner?
I do. I just want an eye on the baby before we do.
We never really get time away. Every day we have the kids. While a little break could be nice, we love the time we have with them. One day, this time will pass by.
Reese, can you take me through the cornfield?
Come on, don't get tagged by the crazy baby, come on!
Oh my gosh. Are you sure this is safe?
We hope they'll look back on these days with fond memories. Jeremiah and I will, that's for sure. More important than money or other material items, these memories will be priceless.
I've never walked through a cornfield before.
She's like, giddy up, cow.
She's like, go, Daddy, go.
So when we get frustrated or stressed, we remind each other that the experience is worth all the effort.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. All right, we got 20 seconds without one kid. Go. Woke up to a beautiful morning here. It's like 8 a.m. We stopped at a whiskey distillery last night, and all around us is a cornfield, including the whiskey distillery. You can see it in the background, kinda. And my husband's like, hey, we should really get some cool pictures. I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. But I was too tired yesterday from like racing all weekend and partying a little too hard. So I was like, okay, let's wake up early and we'll take some photos. Well, we just took some photos in a cornfield.
She's a nut. Just put that sticker on now. Hey, you should do the sticker.
Oh, yeah, I should. So this bikini,
I love it.
they sent it to me when I was pregnant, and I was like, yeah, it'll be a while. And I threw it in the pile, and it's been a while.
Yeah, that's awesome.
All right, stickers, where are they?
Oh, watch your head. Woo! Holy.
Man,
That would have sucked.
it would have went from good to bad really quick.
Alright, so we are in Illinois. We're getting there.
Land of President Lincoln.
Oh, there it goes. Nice. That's like the whole north, well, besides North Dakota.
And then what are we gonna do?
I don't know. I guess we'll
Europe?
go sailing.
Yeah. I used Harvest Host to book this distillery. Really cool. You can go on there, hit up breweries, wineries, distilleries, and iconic landmarks to stay at. Pulled in here. It was a great process. I didn't even have to check in. It was all done on Harvest Host. Super nice. Had really, really good whiskey. I tried bourbon, vodka, and rye. Bourbon and vodka were like on point. Jeremiah did whiskeys. He loved it. We had some drinks. They had a live band. It was great. Then we came over here and we're like, oh my gosh, a cornfield. I've never taken photos in a cornfield. So I did it. And I got a little something for Jeremiah there in the background. I can't share them with you, but it'll be on Vimeo in the server. So we're out of here now. Coffee is almost done and we are off to the Poconos, a NASCAR race. Should be cool. And getting attacked by flies. There's a lot of flies here in Illinois. Does anybody else live in Illinois? Are there a lot of flies where you live? Because there's flies everywhere here. It's crazy.
Coming up next time, we're boondocking at a winery.
Tomorrow we'll be out of here and we're headed towards the Poconos.
Then we'll be driving the bus to another level of fun.
The best seats in the place. Moonshine is legal. So we went with the black raspberry.
Let's check out the Poconos. Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.